Hello dear students, welcome to Esther Fashion and Services. My name is Noela Zawadi. Today we'll be learning how to draft a basic sleeve. The measurements you will need are the sleeve length. You need your sleeve length, you need your round armhole measurement, you need your round elbow measurement, you also need your round bust measurement. So quickly, let's start. First, you need to fold your paper into two, or your fabric. You need to fold it into two like this. Like this. Draw your starting line, come in by 1 inch. Like this. There's no any specific measurement for it. Just draw your starting line like this. Then you connect the points together like this. There's no any specific measurement for it. This is my starting line. The length I'm working with is 12 inches. I'm going to mark my 12 inches like this. 12 inches. This is my 12 inches here. Then I will use the ruler to connect this point together. Can you see? This is my starting line and this is my length of the sleeve. The next thing we need to get is the cape height, and the formula is your round bust measurement divided by 12 plus 0.5 inch. My round bust measurement is 36 inches. 36 divided by 12 plus half inch will give me 3.5 inches. I'm going to mark my 3.5 inches here like this. Three 3.5 inches. Then I will use my straight ruler to connect like this. Can you see? From here to here is my cape height, okay? It's my cape height, and from here to here is the sleeve length. So now we need to get the half of armhole. My round armhole measurement is 15 inches. 15 inches divided by 2 will give me 7.5 inches. This is my cape height. I'm going to mark my 7.5 inches here. I'm going to mark it here like this. So what I need to do next, I will use the straight ruler to connect from the center of my sleeve to this point, like this. I'm going to connect like this. Can you see? Now I'm going to divide this line into two like this. Let me show. I'm going to divide it into two like this. I'm going to divide it into two. I'll divide it like this into two. Like this. And mark. Can you see? And mark here. From this point here, I will go up by half inch. Like this. From this point, I will go up by half inch. I hope you can see what I'm doing. From this point here, I will go up by half inch like this and mark. Then I will use my ruler to connect from this point to this point here. I will use my ruler to connect from this point to this point here. Okay. Can you see? I will connect it again like this. like this. This line here, this line will be the back of the sleeve, will be the back of the sleeve. Can you see? And for the front, I would going to use my curve ruler to connect from the center of the sleeve, from the center of the sleeve to the midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint of half of armhole, so I'm going to connect from the center of the sleeve to this midpoint. I will connect it like this, from the center of the sleeve to this point like this. Can you see? Then I will connect it again like this. This will be my back, and this line here will be my front. So I'm going to put my round elbow measurement. My round elbow is 12 inches. 12 inches divided by 2 will give me 6 inches. 12 inches divided by 2 will give me 6 inches, and mark like that. You can use your straight ruler and connect from this point to this point like this. Can you see? So I'm going to cut it out because we need to have the front and the back of this sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to cut it out like this and show you how it is. Can you see? Can you see how beautiful it is? So now I'm going to cut the front because the front is deep, so it can't stay like that. We need to have the front and the back. Okay, so you need to open your paper like this. You need to open your paper like this. So I'm going to cut now. I'm going to cut the front. Can you see? This will be the front. This will be the front. Can you see? This will be the front and this will be the back. This will be the front and this will be the back. Okay, can you see? The front and the back are not the same. The front and the back are not the same. The front is deeper. Okay, the front and the back are not the same. Thanks for watching. This is just the basic sleeve. Yes, short sleeve. Still Esther Fashion Service.